What's good, YouTube? This country trading back with you with another video. This video is gonna be my weekly update with Topstep. I'm gonna show you my trade rate, and I'm gonna show you what news we got for the week, and I'm gonna also show the Nas outlook for the week. So let's get into it. Here is my Topstep update. Basically, I'm up now this week. I'm up to $809 made. So let's go through the stacks. 809 to my $3,000 I need to make. Let's go to the stacks. Basically, with my stacks, you see the nice little curve, and I'm averaging 310 per win, 68 win percentage, and my average loss is 176. And here comes some of the trades that I did this week. Basically, right now for my trading, if I see it set up, I'm doing a little bit of over leveraging because I have a free reset. So I'm trying to quickly pass if I can in the next couple of days. And I always reevaluate my account on Wednesday to see how far along it is. If I'm under the 50,000 when it comes to Wednesday, I'm just gonna reset and just start over. But if not, I'm just going to, after Wednesday, I'm just going to just trade normally after Wednesday. If I'm up good, I'm going to trade normally. If not, I'm going to reset. So right now, if I see a good setup, I'm going to send a good over leverage. Try to at least try to get done with this. So, and also let me just show how I was trading. I'm going to my Tradeovate. Go to my Tradeovate and show you that this week I was up. I'm up that I made 585 this week, and some of the trades I did, I was just sending it. I lost on Monday. This one was a mess up trade. This one was, these two trades I was just sending it. Made a little bit back. Then on this day, I just started the 2-1. I was just sending trades left and right. I really over traded that day. I was just sending it because I knew I had a free reset. So I was just sending trades, and basically sending trades with over leveraging because I knew I have a free reset. So I'm just trying to get done. So yeah, y'all. But that is my Topstep report so far. So I'm trying to pass by Wednesday. If I can't, I'm just gonna reset if it's not close enough, or if it's underneath 50,000. So yeah, let's check out, see what we got for news. All right, news this week is light compared to last week. Last week was like the Super Bowl of news. We had everything last week. We had FMOC, we had jokes, we had NLP last week, and we had earnings for Nas, because all I trade is Nas. So as y'all don't know, we had everything last week. Last week was the time. The market was very volatile last week. So this week is a lot less volatile. It might be a lot less volatile because most of the big tech earnings is not this week or nothing. So earnings week is basically done. So now we only got, but something really that's caught my eye is Federal Powell is speaking today at 7. So I don't know what that's about. You know, when he talk, he screws the market up. So it might be some volatility at 7 o'clock today, because when he speaks, he just screwed the whole market up. And we got red folder news for Monday. Tuesday, we don't got no red folder news. We got this orange. FMOC member be speaking, but they could always move the market too, so be careful. Wednesday, we have another 2 FMOC members speaking, and we got the tier bond option, so they're gonna try to move the market a little bit. Not as much as red folders. Then Thursday, we got the normal unemployed claims every Friday, red folder, and Friday we don't got no red folders for the USA. They probably don't move more because Friday might be a little slower day. But or but this week is a lot lighter in news than most weeks. So just it might not be a lot of volatility, but you should be able to find some setups if you're a scalper. Long term swingers, man, I don't know. I'm not a swinger, so I'm a scalper. So yeah. So let's see. Let me show y'all what I'm going to be. What I'm my outlook for Nas is this week. Okay, here comes my outlook for Nas 100 this week. For Nas, really, we basically is at the top of the range. We might push over. Make the right there. We're gonna probably push over this for that high, basically all time highs again, pushing through all time highs. Right now, the market is very bullish right now. So I'm seeing because on the monthly, it already took out all time highs. I don't see Nash slowing down anytime soon. Like right now, if I'm doing buys for the long term until I see otherwise. But I will take a sale, a short term sale, not holding. I'm just gonna get my points and get out. If I get me a 20, 25 quick point move to get me out of the trade, that's what I'm doing. I'm not gonna be greedy when it for sales, but for buys, I take a buy, and I most likely gonna play out because basically, let me go to the daily chart, down to the daily chart. Well, down to the weekly chart first to show y'all my zones. These are my weekly zones. So basically, last week it came all the way down, bounced off, bounced off the weekly fair value gap of an inverted fair value gap, and it shot up last week. Soon it did, it shot up. It shot up. Basically, last week with Nas, you could bought the market anywhere and made money. Basically, what it seemed like for the week. Every day it was a buying opportunity. Besides Monday and Tuesday, I think. We can go down to the data chart and check because this where the nitty gritty at. All right. Basically on the daily chart, Monday was a green day. Then it failure to break. Then Tuesday was a break. It was a red day. Then we broke down with a gap right here on Tuesday. Dug into this daily fair value gap, halfway of it, and then at the same time we touched the weekly one, and then Thursday and Friday shot up. Because Thursday and Friday was the big time. We had NP, we had red folders, we had earnings, we had everything going in the market to shoot it up. So anywhere on the chart yesterday or the past Thursday and Friday was a buying opportunity. Thursday and Friday, basically you bought it, you won. Besides on Tuesday and Wednesday, because all the market did was jump. It jumped and jumped. So I'm looking to. I think Nas might just break through all-time highs again, especially with Federal Powell talking today at 7 p.m. Sunday. So the day is Sunday. So I see the market shooting up past that and then probably doing a little retracement, find its bearings before it shoot off again. Or I could be wrong and it just shoots straight through and keep going. Or it could just break down all the way. We don't know. But I'm looking at a quick break of it, and then probably a retracement to test on other areas. But right now, this is not a seller's market unless you could sell, but you just get quick points, 15, 20 points, and get out. Don't hold to the sales. I won't hold unless the market tell you to. So that's what I see at this current time. I don't really see much else but a buy and a buy and a buy and a buy. But I'm gonna get into. I will see. So y'all will see other videos for the week. I probably gonna have a weekly update after after. I'll have a weekly update after before I reset to see if I'm going to reset or not. I'll make a video about that and show y'all. So I'll see me, but y'all will see a couple shorts if I make a good trade. So y'all will see that too. So I will see y'all in the next one. Peace.